we are going to see conversion of NFA to DFA. Why it is not possible to convert DFA to NFA? As we have seen, every DFA is a NFA. Okay. So here now for doing conversion of NFA to DFA, we are going to follow few steps. Which are steps? First step is, first of all, you read the statement whatever given, try to understand the language and find out all possible strings belonging to that language. After this, you are going to draw the diagram for given language, NFA. After NFA, you draw the transition table for NFA. After that, you convert NFA's transition table to DFA's transition table. After that, you draw the DFA diagram for given DFA's transition table. Now, through the example, we are going to understand it. Here, NFA for all binary strings which are where second last bit is 1. Now, students, tell me, we want such a strings where second last bit is 1. So, from this, second last bit should be 1. Afterwards, you can have either 0 or 1. Before this, you can have either 0 or 1. But second last bit should be 1. Now, we are going to list all the possible strings belonging to that language. Second last bit should be 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, sorry, 0, 1, 0, triple 1, triple 1, 0, 1, 1. Like this, you can have number of possible strings belonging to that language. This language is finite or infinite? Infinite. Now, while drawing the NFA, you have to see minimal length, minimal possible length string. Here is 1, 0. First try to draw for 1, 0 or 1, 1. Okay. So, for 1, 0, while drawing the diagram, see, Q0 is there, Q1 is there, Q2 is there. Okay. So, for 1 and for here, either you can have 0 or 1. Now, look at the diagram and tell me, is it possible to have 1, 0? 1, 0. 1, 1. If you want 0, 1, 0, here is a self loop. We can draw self loop for 0 as well as 1. You can have number of zeros, number of ones, or you can skip it and you can have 1, 0 or 1, 1 at the final stage. Afterwards, draw the transition table for this NFA. While drawing the transition table, you should list all the states first. Capital Q means finite state of states. That is Q0, Q1, Q2. What is input given? 0 and 1. This is we need to list here binary strings. That's why here 0 and 1. Now, Q0 on 0. Everybody tell me. Q0 on 0. Moving to Q0. Q0 on 1. Moving to Q0 as well as Q1. Okay, list it down. Then, for Q1, you check. For 0, we are moving to Q2. For 1, we are moving to Q2. Afterwards, for Q2, you check. Q2 on 0, nothing is there. Q2 on 1, nothing is there. Here you can write down null, that is, you can write 5, you can write epsilon, or you can write here dash. Okay, so this is a NFA transition table. Next step is what? We need to convert NFA's transition table to DFA's transition table. Very important step. Students, look at the board. Here, you need to remember first row you copy as it is. Now answer me. First row we have copied as it is. Now tell me. Q0. See, Q0 we are having to this side. Q0, Q1. Here we are not having Q0, Q1. So we are going to write Q0, Q1 here. Now, see here. Q0, Q1. Q0, Q1 on 0. Tell me from the diagram. Q0, Q1 on input 0. What you are having? Q0, Q2. List it down. Q0 on Q0, Q1 on 1. What we are having? Q0, Q1, Q2. List it down. Afterwards, check. Q0 is there. Q0, Q1 is there. Is there Q0, Q2? No. We have listed Q0, Q2. Now, check for Q0, Q2. Keep this way. Q0 and Q2. Check. For 0, Q0 dash means Q0 only. Then, for 1, Q0, Q1 dash. So, Q0, Q1. Afterwards, again you check. For Q0, Q2 we are having. We are not having for Q0, Q1, Q2. List it down. Q0, Q1, Q2. Afterwards, you check Q0, Q1, Q2. 3 states. All 3 states you check. Q0, Q1, Q2. For 0, Q0, Q2. For 1, Q0, Q1, Q2. Now check all these states are here or not. So Q0 is there, Q0, Q1 is there, Q0, Q2 is there, Q0, Q1, Q2 is there. Q0, all states we are having here. We are considering this as a whole state. Okay. So how many states you are having here? 4 states. Q0 is one state, Q0, Q1 is another state, Q0, Q2 is another state, and last one is Q0, Q1, Q2. If you observe in NFA's transition table, NFA diagram we are having 3 states. In this diagram we are having 4 states. Okay. So in DFA you can have more number of states. Okay. So here now draw the diagram. So list down Q0, Q0, Q1, Q0, Q2, Q0, Q1, Q2. So we have 4 states and draw accordingly. Like Q0 on 0 moving to Q0 itself. Q0 on 1 moving to Q0, Q1. Afterwards Q0, Q1. On 0, Q0, Q2. On 1, Q0, Q1, Q2. Okay. Now check for Q0, Q2. Where is Q0, Q2? Okay, we have seen for Q0, Q1. Now Q0, Q2. And afterwards Q0, Q1, Q2. So accordingly we are drawing the diagram. Okay. So while converting NFA to DFA, you need to follow these steps. Okay students, I hope you understand it. Thank you.